Cut the loose, man. That's it.
Come on.
We making plays all day.
Come on.
Come on, baby. I need every one of you, baby.
Come on.
Let's go. That's it.
He's in trouble. He's sacked. They got him. Cody Burke back at the 15-yard line. Sly lets it fly. Bullseye.
Oh, wow.
With his 7th field goal this season of 50-plus yards. Titans 3, Texans 0.
Defense is doing the job today.
Terrific. Drifts back in pressure. They got him.
Okay.
Titans take over at their own 5, down 7. He drifts back with the football. He throws downfield. He's got a caught ball. He caught it inside the 10. Cam moves the pocket to the right. Throws to the 1 and into the end zone. That's a Titans touchdown. Tie game. The drive of the season by Cam Ward. Good snap, good hold. The kick is up. The kick is good. Texans beat the Titans 16-13.
There's just too many penalties that put us against a very, very good defense that makes it hard. You just keep going backwards instead of having positive plays, and we hurt ourselves in those situations. So we definitely have got to clean that up.